don't want you to get scared. When you working with D.I.Y with the wrist. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the Richardson and family. Yes, sir, man. Today is an epic day, man, for the C10 build. Yes, sir. Today is an epic day, man. As y'all see, man, I got the cover off the C10, and I did a little new stuff to the C10, because today, man, what we gonna do, we gonna fire up, man. Let y'all see how she sound, man, with that cam, man. Yes, sir. See how she sound with that cam. Anyway, man, let me show y'all. I'm gonna take y'all over, man. I already put the wire harness and everything on. Try to go ahead and make this, I'm trying to make this video a little short, man. But I'm gonna show y'all what all I did. Show y'all what all you need to fire this thing up. All right, here we go. Alright, gang. So, first thing is first. Mine is a drive-by wire. So I don't have a cable that's going to my drive-by wire. Alright. So that's my drive-by wire cable. Alright. Main harness. Put in for your coil packs. Injectors. Alright. Alright, that's the map sensor. Make sure you have that hooked up. The back of the motor. Ooh, see if we can get some light. Wait a minute. Wait a minute now. Hold up. There we go. Get a little light now. Alright. So right there, you got your cam position sensor. Down up over where your starter gonna be at. You got your crank sensor. Alright. Alright, right here, mass airflow sensor. Of course, you don't need that to crank it, but that's your alternator. Same thing on this side. Same thing on this side. Coils, main coil, injectors. Each one your injectors. Alright. So, show y'all what we did, man. Alright. Alright, so fuel tank. Y'all seen how I did my fuel tank. Alright, y'all seen the video. Y'all don't know how to plumb your fuel tank? Go check out my video. I got a video on that. Alright, so what I did, as you see, got my ground, got my little makeshift ground. Got me a power cable right here. Alright, so on your fuel pumps, your gray is your power. Purple, that's your sending unit for your gauges. And then your ground. Alright, so on my ECU, alright, so y'all see, I got my O2s hooked up. Even though you might have an issue sometimes if you ain't got a little extension on your O2, on your for your O2 sensors, because it's so close to this side, you might have a little issue when you're cranking it. But you don't really need the O2s to crank it anyway. You don't need the O2s or the mass airflow sensor to crank it. So anyway, I got that ground tied up here. Alright, got my battery positive going to the battery, and of course I got my handy dandy switch for my starter. Harbor Freight, man. Harbor Freight. I get that from Harbor Freight. Alright, man, that should be it, man. Also, let me show you something on your relay. I got a video. Y'all go back and check out my video on where she fired up with a $200 Chinese harness, because this harness is a $200 Chinese harness, and it's a A1 harness, man. As you can see, every connection brand new, top of the line, man. So yeah, top of the line but cheap, if that works. Anyway, so I got my red coming off my fuel pump relay, And I showed y'all how to do this, man. Like I said, on that video, that $200 video, I showed y'all how to wire up your fuel pump relay. So go check that out. I ain't even gonna get into all that. But I have the positive wire over here. Alright, so let's see. Yeah. So I had a positive wire right here. So I'm gonna actually stick that in there to get my fuel pump power. Alright. We ain't gonna do that yet. Alright. Got my pedal. This is my pedal assembly. Going to the tack module. This is a tack module. So if anybody doing drive-by wire, you got to get the tack module off the donor vehicle. Alright. So, man, that's about it, man. Like I said, pedal right there. That's about it, man. Theoretically, man, she should fire up, man. I put some fluids in her, man, because, you know, I don't want to run it too long. But I did put some fluids in her. And we're going to see what it look like, man. But next, man, I'm going to hook up my HP tuners, because I want to kind of monitor her, man, see what she doing. Alright, I'll be back with you. Alright, gang. So, got my laptop out, man. And gonna go to my scanner on HP tuners. Close out that. Dismiss that. Alright. Alright. So now I want to find my find my data line coming off of my harness. It's right here. OBD2 in it. Alright. So now I'm gonna give it power. So take these two here, which is, I got these switched together with, these are my ignition switch on and my hot for my fuel pump. So I'm turn it on. Alright, so y'all heard the fuel pump come on. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go to my scanner and I'm gonna see, can I get into my computer real quick. Alright. We in now. Okay. I go start scanning. Bam. Alright. So right now, got all my vitals. And it's not doing anything now because the engine ain't running. But I'm about to see if she gonna start. Alright, gang. Alright, y'all ready? It's been a long time coming, man. I get it started, man. Putting that cab on, we finna ride. I might even ride without a bed, man. I might just ride. I'm gonna be so happy, man. I ain't even have a bed. I might even have a front clip on, man. I might just have a cab and just ride. So got my power on. Make sure my jump starter is on. I say ready. Alright. Got my switch. Alright. Alright. Let's see what she do, gang. A little more fuel, gang. Hold on. Let's see. like I'm gonna have to do a little cam tuning. But she run, man. She run, man. Let's do it again. There you go, gang. She gonna need a little tuning, man. Gotta worry about all that smoke, man. That smoke was from when I was filling up my transmission fluid. Always make sure your transmission fluid is filled up before you crank the motor. That just gonna burn off. But man, she run, gang. She run, gang. So man, next video, man, we'll be putting the cap on. And I appreciate y'all, man, checking in with you all once again. Greg with D.I.Y. and Richardson. Man, my favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Appreciate y'all, man.